welcome back to one more episode from Quest, and we are at the new place which is the KA19, a street food just outside the Lady Hill swimming pool area. And we have done already a series about the other places around here. If you have missed that video, please do check it out. I'll also link it up here or in the description below. Let's check it out, the new place, the KA19. This is the new place which is known as the KA19. This KA19 street food joint opens at 4 PM and they're open up to 10:30 PM. They especially have this 4 combos, and the specialty of this place, as I mentioned here, is mutton boti. Like this corner is known as a mutton boti corner. So we are gonna try first is the mutton boti. These are the 4 combos which they have. So first combo, we are trying the first combo, which is the knee dosa plus mutton boti. Then we're gonna check it out the rest of them. This place is run by a young entrepreneur, which his name is Gaurav Shetty, and he runs this place. Also, he himself cooks most of the dishes. So most of the mutton boti and some of the curries are prepared at home, which is helped by his mom. Knee dosa, you get 3 knee dosas and a good amount of mutton boti. They also put a topping of onions and coriander on the top. I'm gonna take the first bite of this yummy dish. What I noticed is on a plate they put the cover, and upon that they put this banana leaf, and over that they serve the dish over it. 3 knee dosas and they're quite soft. So I'm gonna take the first bite of it. It's yummy. So I just had a first bite. It's good. So you can see they also added the green peas. So I feel like green peas could have been avoided because I've tried many other places which I felt mutton was good. So I can feel, see a lot of green peas. So if the green peas would have been avoided, it would be much better. And the toppings, onions is optional. Some people like it with the onions and some people don't. So I'm okay with the onions. So I'm gonna finish the rest of it, and we're gonna think of ordering the second one. We just got our second order, which is the semige and the puli munchi. So in this you get 3 semiges and the puli munchi. The puli munchi is topped up with coriander, same as the previous one, which are over the plate they have a disposable plastic, and over that is banana leaf, and it's served over that. I'm gonna have the first bite of the semige and the chicken puli munchi. So you get an ample amount of the puli munchi, but both the dishes I felt like this would be a evening snack for one person, for people like me, like who eats a lot. So if not, this might be a meal as well. So right now we placed off the menu order. They have 2 dishes, which is something called spring roll and tummy filler. So in spring roll, it's like omelette is stuffed with the sukka and masala in it. And next one is the tummy filler. So in tummy filler you get a bread piece additional, and they said that tummy filler will fill your tummy. So for the spring roll it is 50 rupees, and for the tummy filler is 60 rupees. It was good. So initially you can feel the omelette. As you dive into you have the food, you can actually feel the egg chili masala in it and the egg pieces. So overall it was good. Coming back to the review, if you like something spicy, no doubt go for puli munchi because it was on a good spice level. If you have cravings for something like egg or omelette, go for the spring roll. So we have not tried the tummy filler though. So maybe next time, gonna try the tummy filler, because most of the times, obviously, as a food blogger, hungry. Everyone feels hungry though, so why not try once? The rest, the knee dosa and semige was good. It was soft and it was good. So overall, it was an amazing experience. That's all for today. I'll mention the location in the description below or on Instagram. If you have visited this place or if you are visiting the place, do let us know in the comment section below. You can also share your review on it. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe. You can also share your experience in the comment section below. Also check out the other playlists as well as the new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.